The example of nature, where nothing is wasted and everything reused, forms the inspiration for the concept of circular economy. Let's look at what it consists of. Traditionally, the production and consumption system worked in a linear way. Products designed to be used, consumed, and thrown out after a single life cycle. But this model could now be reaching its end, its place taken by the circular economy, a system of using resources where reduction, reuse, and recycling of elements is valued most, and waste is turned back into resources. The linear model depends on the extraction of resources, their conversion into materials, and their assembly, resulting in a product or service soon to become waste. All its stages imply intensive energy use and consumption of resources, and the emission of gases which pollute. On the other hand, the circular economy seeks to use resources in all stages of the life cycle of the product or service. It evaluates the environmental impact from the design stage to the acquisition of raw materials, in manufacturing and transport, and end use. The resources used can be reused during its different stages, or to create new products, always with the idea of increasing the lifetime of the products. The circular economy is not limited to consumer goods, but also present in other types of services, such as waste-to-energy technology, which uses residues from farming and forest production to generate sustainable energy, such as in biomass plants, where the circular economy meets renewable energy. Another example of the use of resources might be the employment of grass or other surplus vegetation as a fertilizer in the gardening sector. As you see, the circular economy, imitating nature where nothing is wasted, helps to reduce the consumption of resources, increase the life of products and services, and reduce waste generation.